What's up, online shoppers? If you ever wished that you could replace your dedicated air fryer, toaster oven, and toaster with one powerhouse of a countertop small appliance, you're gonna wanna stay tuned for this one. And I'm gonna tell you why it easily replaces all of these appliances and more. What am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about the latest addition to my kitchen that I purchased with my own money because I did my research and I knew this countertop beast was the one that I wanted cooking for my family. This French door, beautiful, single open oven is made by Emeril Lagasse, and it is 26 quarts of pure cooking power. Air frying, roasting, baking, toasting, and dehydrating. This unit does it all. With digital controls and easy pre-programmed push button settings for just about any kind of food that your family wants to cook. Now, one of the things I love about this the most is how versatile it is. First of all, when you take a look up top here, you can see that it does all kinds of different things. You've got air fry, pizza, rotisserie, slow cook, dehydrate, roast, broil, bacon, ribs. It doesn't matter what you're asking this little powerhouse oven to cook. It has a setting for virtually any food you're going to cook. Now, one of the things I'm most excited about is the fact that this is a multi-use tool that's going to replace multiple small kitchen appliances on my counter and streamline everything into one absolutely versatile kitchen appliance. Let's talk about why it's great. It does come with a lot of pans, which is going to give you a lot of versatility. Right here is their baking pan, non-stick, rotisserie in here as well. You can make some wicked roast chicken on this. And one of the cool things is they've given you a rotisserie retriever. Just reach in and lift your roast or chicken that's on a spit out quite easily. Love the convenience of that. And there is a drip tray that's easily removable. So when you have drippings from your chicken or your roast, this fantastic little drip tray just slides out, washes easy, and then slides right back into place. This also comes with an oven rack, which is removable. You can use this rack, slide it into place, and then you can put your cast iron, your glass, your ceramic cookware in here. Now, on top of those trays, you also get this really fantastic crisper basket. Slides in nice and easy. And finally, they give you this really fantastic non-stick grill plate. Now, it has the ridges here so that you can cook your steaks, your meat, and get those really nice crisscross grill lines on it. Recessed and has a lip and a pour feature so that you can actually capture all of the juices that are released when you're cooking and then pour them off if you so choose. It also has another really nice non-stick surface here that you can use for cooking. Now, once that's in, they also provide a retrieval tool so that you can quite easily get in and take out your grill tray without having to spill anything because you've got this really nice convenient handle. As far as cooking heat and speed, this has air fry plus convection setting and a dual speed fan that circulates the air fairly evenly throughout the entire oven. It gives crispy results without a lot of oil, and it's great for fries, wings, wedges, and even reheating yesterday's leftovers. It does have an automatic shut off, so once you've selected what you're cooking, when it reaches the desired amount of time, it will automatically shut off. You don't have to monitor it. Now, what are some of the surprising benefits of this air fryer? First of all, for me, one of the surprising benefits was the 24 presets up here. I love the convenience of set it and forget it. Another really cool thing that was surprising to me is how much I never want to go back to not having French doors. The fact that you can use one hand to open these as well is really great when you have a pan in your hand, because you can open it up and slide it in. Now, something that's pretty cool about these doors is you can see that they have settings in here for where you put the racks. If you're broiling, you put your rack here. If you're cooking steak, you put your pan right here. If you're doing a rotisserie, then it shows you the level. If you are baking, toasting, air frying, or cooking eggs, here's your level. Another level for pizza, and down here, a grill or slow cook. It's so convenient. It does all the work for you. You literally just have to read, push, and and relax. The fact that they have given you so many of these included accessories means you don't have to go out and purchase anything to go along with this air fryer. It comes with virtually everything you need to cook any kind of food in any way you can think of, and then enjoy your delicious meal. This is a 26 quart oven. You can cook for a large family gathering inside of this oven. Now, as far as durability and cleanup is concerned, this is an oven that is really easy to clean. Single hand open French doors make it really easy to get inside and wipe everything down. The trays come in and out without any hindrance whatsoever. And then if you need to get in and wipe down any of the surfaces, you've got free clearance and easy access to all the nooks and crannies to get it sparkling clean. Now, here's a bonus truth. This unit is not going to heat up your kitchen the way a conventional oven would, but it is larger than a basic toaster oven. So you'll have to plan your counter space accordingly. But for me, I get 1 instead of 3 on my counter space, and that is absolutely a plus. So what's my final verdict on this Emeril Lagasse toaster oven air fryer combo? I will tell you that this is definitely the product for you if you want to be able to cook larger meals in your air fryer. It's great to air fry, bake, dehydrate, and toast with large capacity. If you're someone who cooks for your family and feels like your air fryer doesn't just quite give you enough space, this is definitely a model that you're going to enjoy because the extra space is definitely versatile and useful. I also think that this is a great upgrade for a traditional air fryer because of all the presets in here for temperature, the fact that you can turn your light on anytime you want it. Now, the only people I think this might not work for are those people who only need a tiny air fryer that does 1 or 2 things for you. For what you get when you purchase this, the Emeril Lagasse XL 26 quart French door air fryer toaster oven combo, you're getting multi-appliance functionality, large capacity, tons of accessories. It's a strong value if you think you will use those functions regularly. Based on all of those things, this has been absolutely an ideal air fryer for my family. The large capacity allows me to prepare a meal for everyone in this one appliance. It's eliminated appliances off my countertop, and the presets and the easy open doors along with all the accessories have made this air fryer a family favorite at my house.